In Chapter 8, I learned that Rizal's view about Spain slowly changed because of his experiences and observations. At first, he believed that the Philippines could improve through peaceful reforms and fair treatment from the Spanish government. So he hoped that education and understanding would lead to change. However, as time passed, Rizal saw how Filipinos continued to suffer from abuse, discrimination, and injustice, especially from Spanish officials and friars. So because of this, Rizal became more critical of Spanish rule. He realized that Spain was not truly listening to the needs of the Filipino people. So this pushed him to use his writings to expose the truth and awaken Filipinos to what was really happening in their country. So for me, this chapter shows that change begins when we become aware of injustice. Rizal teaches us that loving our country means standing up for what is right even when it is difficult.